Nothing else encapsulates the allure of the three-pointed star like the S-Class. Since its inception, the S-Class, referred to as Sonderklasse or the Special Class in German, has built an enduring reputation for setting superlative avant-garde standards in the automobile industry through technological innovations that aid safety and luxury. This elusive nomenclature has been a paradigm of automotive excellence and is rightfully referred to as the best car in the world. Here is the recountal of the evolution of a car that revolutionized the automotive industry.
So what we are celebrating is 50 years of the Mercedes S-Class. It's also a celebration of the pinnacle of automotive excellence, because every S-Class has come with cutting edge technology, and it's really great to see the entire lineup over here. And also what's interesting to see is that we had S-Classes well before Mercedes officially came into India in the mid 1990s. So these cars were very aspirational. Obviously, very few could afford them at that time, and it's great to see really the old S-Classes here in particular, and that really gives you a taste of the history of the brand.
So, how do you celebrate the legacy of the best car in the world? A glimpse into the future, a car of tomorrow, today. Now that the S-Class is celebrating 50 years, the best cars in the world for the 5 decades deserved a day out. So, we got all 7 generations together with their owners for an epic day at Mercedes-Benz's Chakan plant near Pune. Being revered is one thing, but how does it feel like owning the best car in the world? Well, here's what the owners had to say about their beloved stars.
It's a beautiful experience to drive. Mercedes built these kind of cars where they actually thought of it. Every part is engineered to last a person's lifetime or more.
It hardly has any glitches, and we love it because of the reliability. So I don't think the question is why Mercedes-Benz, it's only Mercedes-Benz.
I mean, for us, to our family, Mercedes is the brand and it's the car. It's a daily driver. You don't really need to pamper it, you need to drive it. That's most important.
This car was way ahead of its generation. I mean, the features you don't get in the modern cars, you have it rear ventilated seats, rear cooled seats, heated seats, massage lumbar support, all these features, soft closed doors, all these features are they work so well.
Even this car, if you see any of the cars launched 15 years ago, they don't, or 17 years ago when this came out, none of them would really compare in terms of design and the look and the feel.
The car's ride itself with the magic body control is phenomenal. The fact that it can map the road and adjust the suspension according to that makes it an ultra luxurious experience while driving the car.
Such a momentous day was also addressed by Mr. Martin Schwenk, MD and CEO, Mercedes-Benz India.
Brand has a long history, and we're very proud of our history as well. You know that more than 130 years, and we have over the years had so many strong products and so much of development, but the S-Class always remained something special, because every time when an S-Class was launched, it also was trying to push the limits into something new. And we can see that still today, even maybe not every feature has lived into today's time when I think of the guiding rods, yeah, but a lot of it has pushed the limits past and beyond, and that remains our aspiration. And I can clearly understand why you are proud owners. We celebrate 50 years of S-Class now, and thanks a lot for participating, coming out and enjoying.
And Mr. Hormaz Sorabji, editor, Autocar India.
Really, honestly, I can tell you that ever since we've been involved with the classic car movement, there is absolutely no brand that is so committed to its heritage as Mercedes, and we can see, and really with the S-Class, what we are seeing is a history of automotive excellence. I remember driving my first S-Class. It was a 126 many years back. Did 150 kilometers on Worli Seaface at that time, and just to let you know, it was this guy called Lalit Modi, who a lot of you would have heard about. It was his car. So it was really quite an experience, and that was the first time I saw that the pictogram of the seat, which really has endured. And I think there's something really special about a Mercedes.
The best car in the world stays true to its brand's ethos indeed. The best or nothing.